Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Valorant game error, and the error is connection error. Valorant has encountered a connection error. Please relaunch the client to reconnect. Error code WAN84. So if you're getting this error in Valorant game, then here follow the fixes very carefully. Now the first fix is to start the VGC service. So in Windows search type services and open it. Now here look for the VGC, here it is, right click on it and then select properties, and in the starter tab select automatic and then click on start and then hit on apply, OK, and then you can go ahead launch the game and check. Fix 2 is to reset network connection. So in Windows search type CMD, open the command prompt as an administrator. So click on run as administrator, click yes to allow. Now in the CMD type this code one by one. So copy the code and then paste it over here. I have provided this code in my video description, so you can easily copy and paste the code from the video description. Copy the second code, paste it over here, then hit enter. Copy the third code, paste it over here, hit enter. Copy the last code, paste it over here and then hit enter. And you will see you must restart the computer in order to complete the reset process. So close the command prompt and then just restart your PC. Don't forget to restart your PC. And after the PC restart, go ahead and launch the game and check. Fix 3 is to change DNS server. So in Windows search type control panel and open the control panel. Now here you will see network and internet. Click on view network status and task. Now click on your connected Wi-Fi or internet. Then click on properties. Now make sure internet protocol version 6 is untick. If it is ticked mark, then untick it. Then select internet protocol version 4 and then click on properties. Check mark this option. Use the following DNS server addresses, and in the preferred DNS server type 8.8.8.8 and in alternate DNS server type 8.8.4.4. Then hit on OK. Close it. And then you can go ahead and launch the game and check. If still your problem is not solved, then the fix 4 is to reinstall Riot Vanguard. So first of all, close the Riot client. Make sure it is also closed from here. So right click on it and then click on exit to exit the Riot Vanguard. Click on exit. Then open Windows settings. On the left, click on apps. Click on installed apps. Here look for Vanguard. Here it is. Click on this three dot and then click on uninstall. And then again click on uninstall to confirm. Click yes to confirm. It will ask you, do you want to uninstall Riot Vanguard from your computer? Click on yes. And once the Riot Vanguard get uninstalled from your PC, in Windows search for Valorant and then open the Valorant. Now once you open the Valorant, then it will open the Riot client and then you can go to the Valorant tab and here you will see the update option. So click on update. So by clicking the update, it will install the Vanguard. So just install the Vanguard by clicking on update option. Click yes to allow. Now you can see it is installing Vanguard. And once the installation get complete, then you have to just restart your PC. Don't forget to restart your PC or else it will not work. So just wait for Vanguard installation. Now you can see the play button is grayed out. So you have to just restart the PC. You can see over here your game requires a system restart to play. So you have to just restart your PC and then you can play the game and check if your problem is solved or not. If still your problem is not solved, then follow the fix 5. That is a general network troubleshooting, because WAN84 is ultimately a connection issue. Ensure your connection is stable. So power cycle your router, unplug it for 30 seconds and then plug it back in and then check. If you're connected to Wi-Fi, then you can switch to a wired Ethernet connection to prevent the packet loss and then check, or temporarily disable any active VPNs as they are known to cause server communication errors. So if you are connected to any VPNs, then disconnect it and then check. Now if still your problem is not solved, then the Windows security users allow the game exe file to control folder access and firewall. So here in Windows search type Windows security and open it. Click on virus and threat protection. Scroll down, click on manage ransomware protection. Click on allow an app through control folder access. Click yes to allow. Click on add an allowed app. Click on browse all apps. And then browse to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open Riot Games folder, open Valorant folder, open Live folder, select Valorant exe file, click open. Again click on add and allowed app, browse all apps, open the shooter game folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder, select this Win64 shipping exe file and then click on open. Again click on add and allowed app, browse all apps, go back, open the Riot client folder, select Riot client services and then click on open to add it to the list. Now go back, click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings, click on allow another app, click on browse and then browse to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open Riot games folder, open Valorant folder, live folder, select Valorant exe file, click open, click on add. After adding it, make sure both private and public is ticked mark. Again click on allow another app, click on browse, open the shooter game folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder, select Valorant Win64 shipping exe file, click open, click on add. After adding it, make sure both private and public is ticked mark. Again click on allow another app, click on browse. Now go back, open the Riot client folder, select the Riot client services exe file and then click on open and then click on add. After adding it, make sure both private and public is ticked mark and then click on OK to save changes and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now if you're using any third-party antivirus software such as Webroot, Commodore, Avast, Kaspersky, EVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, ESCT, then you have to allow the game exe files to your antivirus program as well and then you can launch the game and check. Or you can simply turn off your antivirus program and then check. Later you can turn on your antivirus program after playing the game. So I hope by following these fixes you can easily solve Valorant connection error code WAN84. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.